This is a quick review of the Logitech portable keyboard model. Let's see here, K400 Plus. So I've been using it for about 2 weeks. It works very well. The buttons are nice and quiet. Good feel to them. The space is very good because I consider I have medium to large size hands, and the trackpad is very responsive. Very good trackpad. So you can scroll up and down on your screen here. Works very nice. I suggest you download the customizable software so that you can customize, of course, your hotkeys, but also you can customize the way it scrolls. When it came default, if you scroll down, the screen scrolls down. If you scroll up, the screen scrolls up. But I like it the opposite, so you can do that. It comes with these, of course, this dongle transceiver. So it's just plug and play, and you don't need to download the customizable software if you don't want to. Overall, it's a good experience. I would definitely recommend it. It runs off a couple of AA batteries, and it's a very basic computer keyboard. No indicator lights, but that's not a bad thing. And on this side here, you just have your, let's see here, your on and off switch, and then of course your battery compartment in the back. Definitely a recommend. Buy, especially if it's on sale.